Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change your default keyboard on iPhone. Now if you want to change from your default keyboard to another keyboard, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Now go to your app store. We have two major best keyboards right now, which are Gboard and Swift key. In this video I'm going to use Swift key as an example. So I'm going to search for Swift key, click on it and click on the download button. When you're done downloading the keyboard, you click on Open. Click on Get Started. You can sign in with your Microsoft account or your Google account. For now, I'm going to skip that. If you want to receive notification from Swift key, you can click on Sure. Now, allow the permission. If you want to share your user statistics, you can do that if you want. Now the next thing you want to do is to switch from your default keyboard to Swift key. This is what you have to do, is to click on Take Media. It's going to take you to Swift key keyboard settings. You have to click on Keyboards and turn on Swift key. And also enable full access. Click on Allow. Now go back. Now the last thing you need to do is to click on the globe icon at the bottom right corner. Click on it and you can switch to Swift key. And now your keyboard has switched to Swift key at default. Anyway, that's how you switch your default keyboard on iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.